How do I file for a protective order as the petitioner? Imagine feeling unsafe in your own home and needing quick protection. Filing for a protective order is a legal step to help keep you safe from harm or threats. If you're wondering how to start, here's what you need to know. First, you must decide what type of protection order fits your situation. There are different kinds, like domestic violence protection orders for abuse by a partner or family member, anti-harassment orders, stalking protection orders, sexual assault protection orders, and extreme risk protection orders if firearms are involved. Once you know which one you need, you can get the necessary forms. These are available at your local court clerk's office, online court websites, or through legal aid organizations. The main form is called a petition for protection order. It's where you describe what happened, including dates, details of threats or abuse, and how it affects you. You may also need a law enforcement and confidential information form to provide details for officers, a case information cover sheet, and any temporary orders if you need immediate protection. When filling out these forms, be clear and precise. Write down specific incidents, including dates and descriptions. Use black or blue ink if filling out by hand, or type if possible. Remember, the petition and supporting documents can become public records, so consider redacting sensitive details like your home address if you're worried about privacy. After completing the forms, take them to the court clerk's office in the county where you live, where the abuse happened, or where the respondent lives. Some courts allow online filing, but follow their instructions carefully to ensure your paperwork is accepted. If you fear immediate danger, you can ask the court for a temporary or ex parte order. This order provides protection until a full hearing can be scheduled. The court will set a date for a hearing where both you and the respondent can present evidence. At the hearing, you may need to show proof of the incidents and possibly bring witnesses. Once the court grants the protective order, the respondent must be served with the order documents. Law enforcement or a process server usually handle this to make sure they are officially notified. You do not need a lawyer to file for a protective order, but legal advice can be helpful. Court staff can guide you through the process but cannot give legal advice. Remember, protective orders are public records, so think about privacy when filling out forms. If you live in a tribal community, you might have the option to file in tribal court or state court, depending on your situation. If you need help, domestic violence organizations often provide assistance with forms and court procedures. Following these steps can help you get the legal protection you need to stay safe from domestic violence or threats. The process is designed to be accessible, so you can take action when you need it most.